In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your ward skin in League of Legends step by step. First, head over to the Collection tab at the top of the client and then click on Wards. Here, you'll be able to see all the ward skins you currently own. However, something a lot of players don't realize is that you actually can't select or equip your ward skin directly from this menu. To choose the ward skin you want to use, you'll need to create a game. You can do this by starting a custom game or entering any match lobby. For this example, let's just create a custom game. Once you're in the lobby, go ahead and proceed to Champion Select. After that, lock in your champion, let's say Katarina, for example. Now, this is where the option becomes available. During Champion Select, you'll see the ward skin section, and from there, you can finally pick the ward skin you want to use in-game. Just scroll through your available options and select the one you like best. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple once you know where to look. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.